In this section, I'll show how we can start to analyze EM map data. So historically speaking, visualizing EM data has required quite large data transfers. Other tools, for example, would previously ask you to download the map file to your local machine. However, with Molstar, any EM entry with an associated map can be quickly visualized totally online. This firstly takes advantage of the volume server, as I previously mentioned for the electron density maps. However, we also improve the speed of map visualization for EM data by actively downsampling the maps when using a low zoom level. This way we can be efficient with the data we need to serve and process, and the user can hopefully appreciate map data at any level without any significant lag. Now, in this example, we'll open Molstar directly from a PDBe search result. So here you can see that on our website, I've free text searched for this entry code 6R7N, the structure of the tobacco mosaic virus capsid. And now directly from the search result, I can launch Molstar again with this 3D visualization link. Now you can instantly see how quickly a version of the whole map has been loaded and visualized. And this is default behavior for any EM entry. On the right-hand side, we can see the map settings. For example, we can toggle hiding and showing, as with many other properties. And by clicking on the EM tab, we can also then change the color and representation of the map the same way we could for the electron density data. Now, in fact, in this part of the demonstration, I'll actually change the polymer color to help clarify things. So under polymer properties, we can change the theme to uniform, and hopefully that will make things a little bit clearer. Now, where are we? Okay, so as with X-ray data, we can change the threshold of the map, should we want to. And if we look under the view properties here, we can even change the detail level at which we're observing the map, wherein higher tiers are more, contain more information. Now at this level, we can clearly make out, especially if I turn the structure this way, and zoom in again, we can clearly make out the additional volume for which the depositor did not continue to build did not continue to build structure for. But then if we change the view type to around interaction, if we click on an individual or specific part of the protein, we can clean up the view to take a closer look at how the model was precisely fitting the map. And for example, here we can start to see some helical density and perhaps even see some side chains that are well described by the map.